Hello, today we are going to introduce the McDonald's Happy Meal toys for this week. Okay, so this week got two Doraemon toys. Okay, the first one is Space Radar, and another one is Orbital Balancer. Okay, we are going to open it. Okay, so we open it now. Okay, first we open the Orbital Balancer first. Okay, so the Orbital Balancer got this one, and then got this one. Okay, let's see how to fix it. Okay, how to fix it? Like this. Wait, like this first. Okay, and then put on this one. Put here like this.
Yay, Brian!
Like Brian. Okay.
What is this about?
Yeah, this one is planet. This one is the astronaut.
No.
Is astronaut? It's not astronaut. It's Doraemon astronaut.
Why? Why he wear his dress?
Yes, where the astronaut the space suit. So this one is orbital. You know what is orbit? Orbit, there's they go round and round and round in an orbit.
What is this?
This one is a planet. I told you already.
Oh, planet.
Yes.
Ding, 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 ding,
Ding,
ding.
ding, ding, ding. Okay, now we are going to open this one. What is this? Space radar.
Space water.
Okay, we open it
Space, space, space.
Yeah, so this Doraemon, this time the Doraemon is with the theme of space.
Jumping fire.
Wow, you see this one so big, and then you can move with it. Okay, let's see how to.
This.
This one is
Wow.
space radar. Okay,
Whee!
see how to play it. Push. Just push it. Did you see? Did you see? Okay, I think it's push like this. Okay, like this. You push it. Is it like this? Or how? Did you see? I think it can move itself. Is it? Cannot. Cannot. Okay, you just push it with your hand. Just push it with your hand. Yes, you see. Okay, so that's the two toy for this week. McDonald's Happy Meal says. Okay, baby, say bye bye.